Hey guys, today we're demonstrating our newest salt-free dip mix. This is going to make you the hero of the next barbecue or family gathering you attend. Coming up next. Right, so many of you have been sharing with us your picks and commenting on how you use our seasonings in your recipes. Thank you all so much for doing that. I'm always thinking about new ways to use our seasonings, and I came up with tips. So I started playing around with our original blend, this one here, that kind of goes on just about everything. And with a little trial and error, we came up with the salt-free version of our original. What you'll do is you'll find the same flavor in the original seasoning rub. We just took out a little bit of salt, and now it works perfectly as a party dip. You'll load it on potato chips as well as a veggie dip. We have the super easy recipe on the back of the packet. It's 4 ounces of sour cream, 4 ounces of mayonnaise, and then 2 ounces of the original salt-free dip mix. Now here's the extra optional special ingredient, the juice of 1 lime. This is going to add an extra layer of flavor and is a complete game changer. So what makes this work? You have the creaminess of the sour cream, you have that little bit of a bite, a vinegar bite from the mayonnaise, and then from the seasoning packet you have a little bit of smoky, you have a little bit of sweet, you have a little bit of that pepper, so a little bit of heat, it's not a lot. And then when you add that lime, you have that brightness of the citrus. Tie all that together and what you have is the perfect party dip. This is one of those dips you just can't get enough of and you keep coming back for more. This is so good.